ano, no? Yung bi-turbo, no?
Yes.
Same pa rin.
Same pa rin. 10
speed.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, so straight. Then in the end, doon tayo lalabas sa guardhouse.
Okay.
Stay nga lang na right. Nahuhulog. Nahuhulog na yun.
Oo nga, no?
Kanina, muntikan na eh.
Kasi may ano, may tarpaulin siya.
Tapos ang lakas
ng hangin.
Left. So with the Everest Titanium na 4x4 and the Wildtrak, halos pareho lang talaga.
Okay.
What makes this car special talaga is suspension is number one. Then syempre the look kasi sporty yung itsura niya. But and it's wider tires and all of that. So this one we give the thank you.
Thank you.
Make a right here. And right again. Then we'll just go straight to the seaside road.
The steering is very light. It's electronic na, ano?
Yes.
Electronic power.
I think all Ford steering.
Pero same din naman sa previous electric.
Yeah, the previous one is also electronic na. That's why Ford's also known na magaan talaga yung steering. Actually, among the other cars, ito yung pinakamabigat.
Steering wheel?
Yes. So the others would be lighter pa. Siyempre kasi this one, naka all-terrain tires, and it's even bigger. So we'll stay on the left and we'll make a U-turn over there.
Okay.
So, yeah.
But
so
compared
the tires made a difference lang talaga sa white feels a little, slightly heavier lang, slightly. Not a big difference.
But it's light, compared to other brand.
Oo, maganda talaga.
So this gonna make a U-turn na tayo dito?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, let's go straight. So it's blue, so it's normal mode. And then this knob here is to change modes. So when I move to the right, yan, sport mode, then it changes the look. And pagka red na siya.
Okay.
Yeah. And then the other modes, iba rin yung itsura niya.
Okay.
Straight up. Then turn left into stoplight. So when you're on sport mode, it makes it the RPM range is higher. Hindi siya nagsha-shift ng early.
That's why it's parang aggressive siya. Okay, nice. Meron siyang auto hold.
Auto hold, yes, it's
Function siya.
so it's in the screen and then you just then the green hand there. Yeah, that means it's active. So you leave it on, every time you brake, it will fully stop, it will activate.
Parang it reminds me of Tesla na nandito na lahat sa
All in the screen na.
Sa screen na lahat. So what else? Cruise control. Adaptive na din siya, no?
Yes. Adaptive na, diba?
Yes, po.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Sound system niya is
You're good. Yeah. Sound system is still Ford lang. It's not branded. Turn left. So down for the.
so this is four wheel disc brake din to, no?
Sorry. Yes.
Okay.
intersection, left again, then back inside the event area. Pero highlight pa rin para sa akin is the suspension talaga of the car.
Can we have one more one more ikot lang?
Depending on the pila. But sige, I'll give you a short run. Sige, go out.
I'm gonna
again.
try the paddle shifter lang.
Sige, go.
Okay. Speed is good.
Also makes the shifting smoother. Turn right na lang there.
Turn right.
Yeah.
Pretty well.
Yeah.
Parang nag-match sa 10 speed eh. Galing. Even dito sa panel gauge yung kompleto. Galing. Hindi tinipid.
Pinakita na lahat. Fuel, oil, water. Tapos transmission yung isa.
Even the pala yung what you call that?
Which one?
What's this? Sa pinaka pang-apat. Kilometer per 2?
Kilometers ako.
Okay. Range.
Yeah, that's the range. 264.
Nice.
Yeah, then when you change it to parang normal, parang minsan umiiba yung
nag-iiba din. Bumabait. Bumabait siya.
Let's see. Then you can park na lang in front of the 4G.
Okay. Even the reverse, meron na din siyang
Yes, camera. 360.
360 talaga. Okay. Wala. So, dito na lang. Thank you.
Alright.